The Maryland Senate moves to protect children from cyberbullies. It is called Grace's Law 2.0, a stronger version of the law that was passed 5 years ago in the wake of a Maryland teenager's suicide. Political reporter Pat Warren says it punishes those who bully young people on the internet.
Glen Elg High School student Grace McComas was the target of cyberbullying.
Grace was 14 when there was a drug-assisted sexual assault, uninvestigated drug-assisted sexual assault, and shortly thereafter, though we didn't know right away, some very malicious, dehumanizing and hate-filled cyberbullying. There were death-wishing, go kill yourself.
On Easter Sunday 2012, Grace killed herself. Today, the Maryland Senate took up her cause for a second time, putting more teeth into the law they passed in her name in 2013, and Grace's mom was there again to see it. The new law maximizes the penalty for cyberbullying from up to 1 year to 3 and from up to $500 to $10,000. There's a provision for 10 years jail time if the victim is pushed to suicide, and proving a pattern of bullying is no longer necessary. The ACLU argues the law violates the First Amendment right to free speech. Bill sponsor Bobby Zirkin tells WJZ those arguments are unfounded.
I understand the concern. This was a tough bill to draft, but it requires malice, maliciousness. It requires intent to do harm, and it requires harm. So, I think this more than adequately meets constitutional muster.
It makes it illegal to pose as someone else in order to harass a minor, spread sexual information true or false about a minor, and to send images of a minor with intent to torment or intimidate. Grace's mom says she'd like to see more Grace.
And in this case, GRACE is give respect and compassion to everyone. And that's really what we're trying to do with this bill.
The McComas family has made it their personal crusade. The bill passed the Senate unanimously and now moves to the House. I'm Pat Warren reporting for WJZ. Back to you.
Now, the ACLU says it will oppose the bill in the House as it did in the Senate.